Hello everyone, welcome to our special video report titled San Vicente Landscape and Culture. Today, we are diving into rich oral histories of San Vicente, a place where nature and culture intertwine beautifully. We'll explain how the landscape has shaped the lives of each resident and the traditions that continues to drive here. Join us as we speak with locals and uncover their stories. So, to gain deeper insights into the community, Mr. Azarcon, my partner, will interview our residents so we can aim to understand how we experience the landscape have influenced his culture. So, let us hear what he have to say.
How has the natural landscape of San Vicente influenced your daily life and the community's culture?
It has been great. The most thing that I like about San Vicente is their chapels. Their chapels or church have always been source of inspirations and livelihood. Many families, including mine, depended on agriculture. We always enjoy the festivals and celebrations regarding to our food.
How have you seen San Vicente change over the years, both in terms of its landscape and its culture?
Over the years, San Vicente's forests have grown thinner due to deforestations. And some traditional practices, like waving or festivals, are becoming less common. However, I've also seen the younger generations advocating for conservation and cultural preservation, which gives me hope.
What do you hope future generations will learn about San Vicente's landscape, culture, and how can they continue to honor this tradition?
I hope our future generations learn to value the symbiotic relationship between the land and our traditions by teaching them the stories and customs of San Vicente and involving them in community projects. We can ensure that both of our culture and our environment thrive. Thank you.
Thank you. Back to you, Raven.
Thank you for joining us on this journey, the heart of San Vicente. The stories we've gathered reflect a deep connections between the peoples and the environment, showcasing a culture that is as vibrant as the landscape surrounding it. We hope these reports inspires you to explore and appreciate the rich oral histories of our community. Thank you.
Until next time, keep celebrating your local culture and the stories that make it unique. Goodbye.